Welcome to the 2024 farming season with Normand. How's it going today?
Good.
Last few acres?
Yeah, I've got only 67 acres left to do.
Any exciting events in this spring?
No.
Everything-
Nobody got stuck. Everybody's been good.
That's a bad news because nobody got stuck because not enough rain.
That's right.
This is supposed to be a rainy day today and
Yeah.
no go.
All right.
What's the soil conditions? Have you checked the humidity in the soil?
The top is really dry, but there's still moisture on the bottom, so we're okay for now. Yeah.
And same kind of mix of crops this year?
Yeah.
Canola?
Rotation stayed the same as last year. Canola, peas, barley, wheat.
More peas or the same?
I think we might have went up by maybe 100 acres of peas.
And how come you're not getting the boys on the machinery? Where are they at these days, Nolan and Mason?
They were doing moving some cows this morning, so usually it's Mason. I haven't seeded much this year.
Okay.
So Mason's been running it.
Okay, so it just happens I got lucky with you.
Yeah.
All right. Same mix of machinery this year, or do you add any changes?
Nope, same.
Same tractors?
Yeah.
We're on 590 now.
Yeah. Nope, everything's the same.
Bourgault? Bourgault, I always screw that name up. Bourgault drill.
Yeah.
All three of them again?
Yep.
And they all went well?
Yep.
You're not saying the guy said that you guys are fixing a few glitches.
Yeah, I think I know what the glitch is, but we'll fix it at the end there.
They said Bourgault is blaming John Deere is blaming Bourgault, and Simone the end said maybe it's just the farmer.
Yeah, maybe.
And the combines will be the same X9s again?
Yeah. Yeah, everything should be the same.
Is there an upgrade on the X9s on the market, or?
They did a bit of hard software upgrades, and screens. The monitors have changed a bit, but it's basically almost the same.
And will those updates be on your equipment this year?
No. I think they can be added on in the future.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Salut, on a fait,
Salut.